Okay, so if you want to connect your Salesforce account and integrate it with Proposify, what you need to do is go to your account settings, click on the Salesforce logo, and you will come here. In some cases, you will need a subdomain. In our case, we don't, so we're just going to click Login. And because I have already logged into Salesforce before, it's going to tell me that my account's now integrated. So once you're here, Salesforce looks at opportunities and connects them with your proposals in Proposify. So we have different stages of opportunities. So what you can do is specify, when I create a proposal, put it in this stage of the opportunity. So in our case, I might say I want to put it in proposal price quote. When I send a proposal, I'll put it in negotiation review, and when a proposal is accepted or won, then put it in closed won. And same thing with lost. If the client declines your proposal, you'll put that opportunity in closed lost in Salesforce. I'm going to save these settings, and now I can import contacts from Salesforce if I choose to. But if I'm ready to get going on a proposal, I can just go to my dashboard. And now when I click on a new proposal, I'll choose my template, and you'll see, because my account's integrated with Salesforce, I can now click on that and create a new deal from this new proposal that I'm creating, or I can link it to an existing opportunity in Salesforce. So I'm going to say that I want to create a new deal, and the client is power plant due at the end of the month. So now I'm going to click on next step. So it's created my proposal, and I have a fee table here. Now if I pop back over to Salesforce, you can see that this construction equipment proposal that I just created has been created in Salesforce. And when I click on that opportunity, you can see that it imported the correct client name, the due date, the stage of the deal, the amount of the proposal. So it basically created a deal that mirrored what I see in Proposify. And now if I were to send this to my client, so I'm just going to mark this as sent, you can see here in Salesforce, when I reload this deal, that it moves the stage to negotiation review. And if my client were to look at this proposal, so if I was to open this as a client, so this is a client viewing your proposal, and they can leave comments on different sections. Now, if I were then logged into Salesforce and I reloaded, so if I was logged into Salesforce now, I could see that the client had left a comment on the proposal, and that's added as a note to this opportunity. So then if the client is to accept the proposal, now if I go back as a user in Proposify and I look at the snapshot page, I can see that the proposal is now changed over to 1. It's an accepted proposal, and if I go back to this opportunity in Salesforce, I can see that it's updated it to the correct stage of the deal, which is closed and won. So hopefully that shows you how to link up opportunities and proposals between Salesforce and Proposify.